Good afternoon. I would like to present the results of our discussion in group number 10. This is how to develop UNISEC or UNISON in the Philippines. So these are members. So essentially, we have 2 members from the Philippines and 3 members from Japan. So learning from the Japan experience. So how to develop UNISEC or UNISON in the Philippines. So this is the current situation. Uh, we took 2 different perspectives. I am working as a national government agency and at the same time a student of Kyushu Institute of Technology. So we're looking at national level as well as the academic level. So this is the current situation. Do we have space education? So we talk about the weaknesses in the Philippines, which could be the challenges, and the strength and opportunities. Does the Philippines have human resource, the technical capability, the system and facilities, or do the government have existing national plan or programs? So first, do you have space agency in the Philippines? No, we don't have. But we have different agencies and several agencies doing operational and applied science and technology. So the current status, the bill has already been drafted and submitted to the Congress in 2012 for the creation of Philippine Space Agency. However, it's been 3 years now, but there's no development. Do you have space education in the Philippines? No, we don't have official space engineering education. But these space courses are implicitly included in the curriculum of science and other engineering education. So the current status, we have a strong human resource in the field of research and engineering, but not space engineering. So, but we have Engineering Research and Development Technology Consortium, wherein these universities consist of 8 universities that are into research and development. So this could be the potential medium to promote the UNISEC activities through this engineering consortium. So do you have human resource and technical capability? No, we don't have space engineers, but we have human resource in the field of astronautics and other engineering field. So now we have increasing numbers of graduate students and increasing outputs of the research in university-based and research and study. So taking a look at one university in the Philippines, okay, they have several engineering sections or departments. They work in electronics and mechanical, geodetics, and chemical engineering. So we are targeting that probably the students that will be involved in the space engineering can come from different field of engineering in the Philippines. So as a faculty profile, there are increasing number of Filipino people who are into the PhDs and developing research in terms of science. So do you have system and facilities in the Philippines? No, we don't have testing facilities, but there are numerous research laboratories in different universities. So do the Philippines have existing national plans and program? So we are in early stage of development. I made some research and I found out that the Philippines under the Department of Science and Technology are now having its own project called the Philippine Microsat Project. And it's under the National Science and Technology Plan. They are now having 10 engineers here in Japan building this microsat in coordination with the Tohoku and Hokkaido University. And they are now exploring the potential collaboration with Kyushu Institute of Technology. So under the program, they have the microsat research facilities as well as the ground receiving station. So there's a big project now in the government. So there are also opportunities for students. They can apply for the scholarship under the Human Resource Development Program. So given the situation in the Philippines, can we develop UNISEC Student organization? Probably yes. However, um, we learned from Japan that it would not be easy. They started like utilizing existing groups or clubs in the university as an entry point to promote space. Maybe they can launch social media campaign to promote the activities of the UNISEC. So Kim from the Philippines said he would do this activity, so I put him as an in charge to this activity. And there are also CLTP activities. There are persons or focal points in the Philippines who already attended such activities, so maybe they can give the students a push to further improve the CLTP activities in the Philippines. And of course, the continuing capacity building. So as a conclusion, we should promote awareness about UNISEC and UNISON. So first, to talk with the right people. There's already an organization of engineers, so this would be the great entry point to work in space-related activities and program. So again, we should have established local chapter. We encourage joining UNISEC and promoting international collaboration. It would be, of course, a bit of a work, but I already started contacting several professors in the academe, and I'm trying to encourage them to apply for the UNISEC as a local chapter, because I need 2 universities, so 2 professors and 2 students to be able to have this UNISEC local chapter for the Philippines. So thank you very much for your attention. Should you have any comments, please inform us. Thank you.